Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create your own lehenga set just by mixing and matching a few different pieces. All of the pieces that I'm going to show in this video are from Amazon and I bought all of them on discount. I will have all the product links in the description box, and this look is very easy to recreate. You just need to put together a few different pieces and you will have a stunning lehenga set that is appropriate for winter weddings. I have done 2 videos like this in the past. I'll link both of them above. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. The first item that I want to show, which is of course the star of the look, is this gorgeous blouse from this brand called Niharika Designer Studio. It's such a beautiful blouse. Just look at the detailing and the intricate embroidery. This blouse has cups attached and it has elbow sleeves. It has a V neckline and the back is open like this. It just has a hook at the bottom and one at the top, and this is such a gorgeous blouse. The fitting is amazing and it also has a lining inside which is very soft and nothing hurts or pokes. This is actually the best ready-made blouse that I have ever tried, and I have tried a lot of blouses, so this is one of the best, and it also looks so gorgeous. So to create the lehenga set, this is the blouse that I have used. For dupatta, I have used this velvet dupatta. I have shared this in a previous video. In my must-have dupattas for winters. You can check out that video as well. That is a very informative and helpful video. So I have used this beautiful maroon velvet dupatta with kotapatti borders. I think it's going really well with the blouse. This looks so beautiful, and since velvet is quite a thick material, it will also keep you really warm. So you can definitely try out dupattas like this for the winter season. Then for the actual lehenga skirt, I have used this gorgeous plain maxi skirt with an amazing flare. This one is from Studio Shringar and it's going so well with the blouse and the dupatta. So this is the complete look. So I've used a maroon color maxi skirt, a maroon velvet dupatta, and this gorgeous navy blue blouse with multicolor thread work. And this is the complete set. I think it looks beautiful. Let me know what you think. For accessories, I have used these statement earrings from Zaveri Pearls. These are so gorgeous and unique, and they'll work with almost any outfit. Finally, to complete the look, I've used this gorgeous, very beautiful pearl and rhinestones bag. This one is so beautiful and it complements the outfit so well. This bag is from Odette and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a good, really nice party and wedding appropriate bag, then definitely go for this one. So that is it for this video. This is how I created this gorgeous lehenga set using different pieces. So you can do the same. You can mix and match different pieces and create your own custom lehenga set. All the products that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box. That is it for this video. If you liked it, I'm sure you're going to love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.